How did you feel, by the way?
It feels pretty good. I mean, the whole thing looks kind of different. I thought it's going to be the same, but I think it's kind of a little sleek. It looks more premium than RS4, if I'm not wrong.
How excited are you?
I am is very excited.
Okay.
It's good.
All
Nice.
right. Okay.
All right. So this is a good day to unbox one of the most favorite things that I wanted to buy since I was a child. So this is what? DJI. Well, I'm going to show you what the products are. But first of all, let's just throw this on the table like this. Huh? So this is how I'm going to introduce you to this product. This is DJI RS5. So this is newly released in the market. Before this I had DJI RS4 and I was playing around with that. But I'm excited to unbox this, and I got it through Amazon. I have my scissors and also this. Well, I'm going to show this from the back of the product here like that. Here we go. So this little thing is, I think, the main highlight of this unboxing, because I got this, I think, almost 28 days ago, and then as soon as I got it, they delivered it to me. I mean, like within 2 days, but this took forever. So finally I have this right now, and then I'm excited. So what is this? This is DJI RS5 enhancer. How is it enhancer? It's enhanced intelligent tracking module. So the feature of RS5 is that it has inbuilt tracking capability. So wherever the subject moves, it tracks, and this is the camera that is mounted on the gimbal itself, so that it helps to track. So let's unbox this. All right, I'm gonna show you how it looks like. A lot of times I'm not good with scissors, but right now I am. So this is RS5. Let's open. Here we go. All right, this is our product. Piece 1, piece 2, the actual thing. Okay, let's put it here. I'm just gonna put this here, and this is what I have. Let's see if I have something else here. Nope. All right. So these boxes, this is the main stuff here, which is the gimbal. Let's see, it's in one piece. Wow. Remove before use. This looks pretty neat. This looks very different from RS4 is what I can tell you. This has these knobs here, and this is freshly out of the box, so I haven't charged it, so I don't know if it's going to open, but let's try anyway. And this must be the charger, or what is this? Okay, so this is the battery handle, I believe. Oh wait, no, this is the tripod. The tripod. So somebody told me the tripod is designed in such a way that I don't have to pull individual legs. Look at that. It just comes out when I pull one leg. So that's good. That's something new in RS5 compared to RS4. What is this? A battery module, I believe. Let's open that. Ooh, okay. Yep. So this is the handle, and this is the battery. So this goes here, I believe, if I can do it right. There. Nice. Okay. So it should have some charge in it, but after that box is done, I'll open this, and I think this is the charger, if I'm right. All right. So this is what I have. Some screws. What is this? Oh, the base where the camera sits, or the camera mounts. And what is this? Some instructions, some accessories. Let's see. All right. So now that we have all that stuff here, let's also open this, which is the center of attraction right now. So this is the video, I mean the camera that helps to track. So this is the module that I was waiting for impatiently. Well, I think I should say patiently, because I bought this product almost 28 days ago, and then I didn't unbox because I was waiting for this. Alright, so I have probably the base or the thing that attaches here, but let me guess, I don't think I need this in RS5 compared to RS4, because I think this mounts directly to the gimbal. Let's see. If I'm right, then it attaches by itself. I don't know where. Here. Let's see. Where does this thing go? I have no idea. Here. Where, Sathi?
Probably some of this things. Yeah, that's the place. Yeah.
Maybe like that.
Even here is this one thing. If that gets inside.
Oh yes, that's the one. Look.
Something like this probably. Is it that way, or is it this way? Probably this is the one.
Oh, that's done.
Yeah.
But the camera is facing this way.
No, camera will sit here.
Oh yeah, it will rotate,
yeah.
right? Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
that's
Wait.
it.
How do you remove this? Oh, nice. Yes,
Magnetic.
yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So now this is the stand. I think it goes here. I'm gonna put it here like that, and then I pull this stand and it comes out like that, and then once I have the camera I can mount it over here, right? So let's on and see what happens if it has charge, that is.
I think we have to unlock all of that buttons if that's the case.
What is this?
We might have to unlock these things, and
But this thing doesn't have charge, I believe. What do you think?
this one, and this will be here as well.
Oh my god.
So there's something over here, and this one releases.
What is this? Oh.
This one is like
Mm-hmm.
this is free. Why is not this free? Yeah, this is free now. Yeah, not camera.
But
Yeah, that's it. The camera sits over here,
camera sits here, this goes.
and this one intelligence sits over there.
This goes
that's
here. Whoops. Or
Yeah.
this way maybe.
Yeah,
Huh?
that's it. We have to press something extra as well, probably. Yeah, this one.
OMG. No, I think this goes this way.
Probably.
Okay.
This way. Up or down, anyway.
There.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now the wheel comes into play.
Here. That's it. This is the way.
So this is where the camera goes. And you should mount. Oh, it's magnetic.
Yeah.
Oh, it's okay.
Uh-huh.
Huh?
Yeah, that's it, I guess.
Okay.